slowly, try to slowly take on. And the violence calls such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, there are fire. And their bombs, and their bombs, and their guns. In your head, there are fire. And the head slowly, try to slowly take on. And the violence calls such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, there are fire. And their bombs, and their bombs, and their guns. In your head, there are fire. What's in your head? Mother's breaking, body's taking over. When the violence causes silence, we must be mistaken.